But anyway, so Lewis created the Berkeley Psychic Institute. I got a lot of students coming down to study Tai Chi with me down. I say down because I was at the other end of Telegraph. They were down toward the university more. And and the thing I enjoyed about them, and the Trinidadian woman, Paula, I say Trinidad, she was blonde, white blonde girl, but she's raised in, and she's Trinidadian, she grew up in Trinidad. And so she was hanging there, doing stuff with them. She came down to study Tai Chi. I was like, I could. Interesting woman, but I liked them. You know, she dragged me down there a few times for different reasons, and had a lot of humor. A lot of humor. That was their central thing, is to be humorous about it. Don't take yourself seriously. They laughed a lot, joked a lot. I like that. I would say they were, they didn't take themselves seriously. You see, and they would play with stuff, blah blah blah. But in any case, but when I would, and then there's Rosemary, and then when, I'd ask, like I said, okay, what's the experience? You say, and they say, well, like I told you, her first relation was that it was, oh, I didn't believe her. And I said, no, it has nothing to do, you say you experienced something, blah, blah, blah. She was talking about divas, divas. And I said, but I want to know what it is, what you actually experienced. It took hours before I could talk her down from her defensive position. And then to actually start talking to me, what do you actually experience? And then when she put it into sensations and perceptive thing and blah, 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 I said, got it. Okay, good. Yeah, see, anybody could experience that, and you experience that, and you say it's a diva. See? But now here's an experience. I understand the experience you're having, and maybe it's a little unusual, but sensation, perceptive stuff that you say, this is occurring in my experience, and now you put on that it is this, it means this, it means, it's a diva, and it's a communication, and it means something, see? But you see the difference, you see? Like, I could experience that, and I wouldn't put that onto it because I don't do psychic. Well, I do, but I don't believe in it. Okay, I just do it. I just dabble. Okay, see? And so, she puts that label onto it, see? But I'm not into that kind of thing. See, so I wouldn't do that. I might say, okay, something else. I might say, I don't know what I would say. Oh, I have indigestion. Whatever I say. Oh, it's a funny sense here. Interesting.
Hi, I'm Brendan Lee, and I've been studying with Peter Ralston for 20 years. I really want you to know that no matter how many videos you watch or books you read, it pales in comparison to the power of the live workshops that we host here at the center or on Zoom. If you want to get serious and do work that makes a real difference, please check the links in the description to learn more. Thank you.